Now we are going to learn everything about our language, native language.
Here we will learn everything about our language.
Animals and birds. Chicken, rabbit, dog, donkey, lion, a cow, cat, pig, goat, frog, bear, leopard, wolf, elephant, camel,
Body parts.
Today we will learn with you the body parts. Are you ready, Catherine, to learn everything about body parts in our language?
Okay, I'm ready.
Touch your head.
Head. Head.
Grab your hair.
Hair. Hair.
Touch your ears.
Ears. Ears.
Touch your eyes.
Eyes. Eyes.
Touch your nose.
Nose. Nose.
Open your mouth.
Mouth. Mouth.
Open more. Click your teeth.
Teeth. Teeth.
Stick out your tongue.
Tongue. Tongue.
Bend your neck.
Neck. Neck.
Shake your shoulders.
Shoulders. Shoulders.
Touch your stomach.
Stomach. Stomach.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Wiggle your hips.
Hips. Hips.
Shake your arms.
Arms. Arms.
Shake your hands.
Hands. Hands.
Shake your legs.
Legs. Legs.
Touch your feet.
Feet. Feet.
Perfect. It's all over.
Yeah. Fruits and vegetables. Today, my friends, we will learn the names of some fruits and vegetables. Are you ready?
Yeah!
We start with fruits first. Apple. Apple. Orange. Orange. Banana. Banana. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Grape. Grape. pineapple, pineapple. Mango, mango. Watermelon, watermelon. Kiwi, kiwi. Strawberry, strawberry. Now comes the roll of vegetables.
Yeah!
Tomato, tomato. Cucumber, cucumber. Potato, potato. Onion, onion. Cabbage, cabbage. Aubergine, aubergine. Carrot, carrot. Lettuce, lettuce. Pepper, pepper. Zucchini, zucchini. We're done today. Wait for us soon with a new lesson.
Yeah!